All right, so I started a 9 to 5, and there's a lot of things that I need in my bag to make sure my pH balance and just my immune system work how it's supposed to work, because since I started working, all of that was thrown off. So the first thing that I do, this is probably like a nighttime thing, but I take my probiotics. I've been taking this for years. I did stop on and off, when I wasn't working because I was a stay-at-home mom and I didn't really need it all the time. Now that I'm working and within this is my third month, everything has just been out of whack and my body is in shock. So I had to start back taking this every night. So this isn't in my bag, but yeah. The next thing is this. Okay. In there, of course, you have like your sanitary napkins, pads, all of that. But one of the main things that help, especially in the pH balance, is flushable wipes. I get the regular store brand unscented, Walmart, wherever you can get it from. So that's what I have. That's one thing. Next thing is I do have a small umbrella that I keep in my bag for work, because with this weather and the heat, rain just comes on at all times and I'm not trying to get wet all the time. One more thing I have is Neosporin. Yes, I have this because sometimes I have the kids with me, but not at work. But my hands, I'm starting to pay attention to my hands more, and because of just being outside and everything, they get dry really quick. So, and then they start to peel. So I put this on there sometimes. There's a next thing I have, but it is in my work. It's in my work locker. I don't have that footage to show you, so I can just tell you what it is. I also have my lip gloss, but I have chapstick and I have hand lotion. My hand lotion is either one that I made, or just go to any store and get a small bottle of hand lotion and have that with you. And I'm one of those people who go to the bathroom, wash my hands, and always lotion in my hand. Not only after the bathroom, but just hand sanitizer, then lotion consistently. And those are like the staples that I need in my bag. And my water bottle, must have for me when I'm at work.